from the point is a very exceptional project that united four cultural and artistic organizations on a particular topic. What makes this project very peculiar, I would rather say, and exceptional, is because of the geographic distance and positions. Four organizations which are quite different and similar in the same time, from Belgium, Macedonia, the Netherlands and UK, have united their interests, and their interests are young people, to which we have provided an increased mobility and cooperation with their peers from the other countries. And the second thing, which is maybe even more exceptional, is that we have worked on this project with the marginalized groups. These marginalized groups have, let's say, a very were an eye-opener for all of us as organizations. For instance, Public Room has a focus on the kids and experience with the kids with the disabilities, more particularly with the Down syndrome. But other organizations, they have different kind of marginalized groups, such as socially marginalized groups or youth marginalized in particular, let's say, problematic areas like in Rotterdam or in Brighton, etc., etc. So we have learned how to treat, how to approach, and how to help, and how to integrate them in the societies, let's say, throughout our activities. So we didn't expect that after a project that the whole society will jump on and will put the entire focus on these marginalized groups. But for us, it's very important because we know now how to better integrate these particular groups in our program. And that is what is, let's say, the biggest achievement from this project, speaking from the point of organization as a partner organization.
The project was so interesting. We met new people. The team was funny. We rotate the teams all the times. The topic was to make some mobile cinema, mobile cultural center where you can watch movies, read some books, hanging around with your friends.
I wasn't aware of what to expect of the OTP project, even though I accept the invitation right away, because I knew that project will provide me new experiences, new challenges, creative challenges, meeting new friends, learning about new cultures and exploring new cities.
As an organization, we have learned a lot of about the marginalized group, which were target groups in this OTP project. So we learned that how to understand and accept these kind of groups and how to involve them in our projects, in our work processes. So Public Room also have made some changes in the way of thinking and in the way of including these kind of groups, and also we are going to include more young creatives in our work processes.
The idea of the OTP project was amazing. When I got the invitation, I was so happy to join, and I just didn't think twice for that.
For example, the workshop that I participate in was about a neighborhood in South Rotterdam named Afrikanaweg, I think. and it was about the minorities who live there. Because one day the mayor of Rotterdam came with the idea that he wants to do elite stores over there, stadiums, big supermarkets and things like this. And if, for example, that happened, all of the people who live there for years or maybe since forever, they will lose their homes, their small businesses, stores. And we made this short amateur video where we ask random people what do they think about that idea. And it was very touching what kind of answers did we get, and they are so attracted to their neighborhood.
Well, Public Room is a little bit different organization than the other organizations that that were involved in the OTP project. So we are a civil society organization, but we are self-sustainable, and it is something that is very interesting for the other organization. For example, and this our Center for Innovation. It was before it was Center for Innovation. It was military building, and it was in this part of the city, which was forgotten part of the city, and this building was abandoned and neglected. So we converted that in this creative hub, and it is now Center for Innovation and Design. And interesting I think for the OTP project is that this is a good example for something that we contribute not only for the cultural scene in Skopje, but also for the community.
All of the participants were following with a great focus on every single detail that we told them about and the instruction that we told them about. And on the end, I think that they came out with a really, really good ideas. It was a great experience. It was something that finally someone made something for the first time for people with disabilities, to make their life easier, to work on inclusion for them. And the whole concept was really great.
OTP project was excellent experience for me and for my team from Skopje Public Room. I met many people with many different cultures and ideas from different countries. Every individual had good ideas. I can't wait to work on something similar in the future.
Communication went really well throughout the whole project, and we hope that this partnership relation will last longer, because it's of our interest as Public Room to further cooperate with such organizations. But I believe that we are also, let's say, a bright sample for the other partners of what we are doing here in Public Room, for instance, how we work, because we have a very different model, very autonomous model, which does not exist on many places in Europe. And according to my opinion, that is what the top management of the other partner organizations is something what they admire to have in their countries as well. So hopefully that this story will continue throughout other project realizations.